But the root answer is there and the answer is rational, so it is not the surd. If the answer is irrational, it is a surd. We have discussed in the previous lecture. Now see, first sum is 7 root 2 and here we have 5 root 3. We have to compare. Compare means we have to tell which is greater and which is smaller or which is equal. We have to tell that. Now see 7 root 2, how we can write? We know that whenever number 2 into 2 into 3 अगर ऐसा रहेगा, whenever inside the root 2 numbers are there, then it will come out and it will become 1 only. You are aware of that? अगर रूट के अंदर दो सेम नंबर रहेगा, वो जब रूट के बाहर आते हैं तो एक बन जाता है, बिकॉज इट इज अ स्क्वायर रूट, राइट? स्क्वायर मीन्स 2, so 2 numbers combine and comes out and become a single number. At the same fashion, अगर देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा है 2 root 3, whenever we are inserting 2 inside, अगर 2 को मैं अंदर डाल रहा हूं तो it will become like this. See here, 3 तो पहले से था and 2 will become 2 times. Are you getting my point? Whenever रूट के अंदर से दो नंबर को हम लोग बाहर निकालते तो एक बन जाता है ना, वैसे बाहर का एक नंबर अगर रूट के अंदर जाएगा वो 2 बन जाएगा. Is it okay? Now begin with the practice side. First one is 7 root 2 and next one is 5 root 3. So हम लोग अंदर डालेंगे डायरेक्टली 7 को इनसाइड, put the number inside the root. So what will become? 7 अगर अंदर गया तो क्या होगा? 7 into 7, right? Into 2 as it is. Okay. Now what will be this? 7 7s are 49 and what? 49 2s is how much? 98. So it will become 98. Till here it is okay. Now 5 root 3, again put 5 inside the root. So what you will get? 2 5. So 5 into 5 into 3 is as it is. So now see, root as it is, 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75. Okay. Now tell me, we have two numbers, 98, root 98 and root 75. Which will be the greater? Which will be the greater, 98 or 75? Yes. So उसके तरफ हमको मुंडी कर देना है, ऐसा करके मुंह करना है, right? That is the greater sign, right? So greater is what? 98. So 98 was the first term. What was 98? It was 7 root 2. So in place of 98, I will write 7 root 2. Greater sign as it is. What is root 75? It is 5 root 3. So write this as it is 5 root 3. That's it. You have compared it. This is the final answer. Kindly take the screenshot, guys. Fast. इतना simple है, फटाफट करेंगे हम लोग. चलो, will not waste the time. Yeah, it's very easy. If done, just let me know in the chat box. Bingo. Done? Okay. So we are moving to the next part now. Now see, directly they have root of 247 and next they have one minute. Next they have root 274. Now no need to put any number inside the root. Directly tell me 247 is larger or 274 is larger. Yes, your mathematics is so strong. 274 is larger. तो उसके तरफ हम लोग मुंह खोलेंगे आ करके. Greater sign. Yes. So directly I have got the answer. Yes or no? It's okay. Now we will move toward the next part. Take the screenshot if you want. Take the screenshot if you want. Okay. Next part. Next is 2 root 7. Third one is 2 root 7. Okay. It is 2 root 7. And next one is root 28. Okay. Now see here. What I will do, I will put 2 inside the root. So what I will get? 2 inside the root means 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 7 is already present, so write it as it is 7. So what you will get? 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Yes, this is root 28, and this no need to take any root. So as it is root 28. But as you can see, root 28, they are same. So I will write root 28 equals to root 28. First wala root 28 kaun sa tha? This 2 root 7. Equals to as it is. Now this root 28 is out. Root 28 as it is. So what is the comparison? They both are equal. In this case, they are equal. So kindly take the screenshot, guys, fast. Fast. Done? Yeah, we have reached 134. Fine students, 150 अगर touch करेंगे तो let's see. Okay. Next part. Okay, this was a solution. I have already told you na solution, so no need to copy it. मैंने आपको बता दिया solution पूरा. Now we have to do the simplification. We have to simplify it, guys. Simply simplify करना है आपको. So how we can do it? 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. How we can do it? Let's see one example. We have to simplify. Simplify means we have to solve it. Now see here what I will do. Simple method. What is common in this? Root 3 is common. So I will take common outside. Common को मैं बाहर रखूंगा. Okay. Now what is the inside? I have taken root 3 common, right? I have taken root 3 common. So what will be the answer now? See, 5 root 3. Root 3 got common. So inside is 5. Then plus sign. 8 root 3 में 3 is common. Root 3 is common. So remaining is 8. So what do you mean by 5 plus 8? 13. Yes. So 13 and this root 3 as it is. Is it so simple, students? Bingo. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this, some guys. Fast. Then next one. Next one. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus, just a moment. Actually, students are entering and that's why a little bit issues are there. 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 1 root 125. 9 root 5, I can't do anything as it is, right? As it is. 9 root 5 as it is. Minus 4 root 5. Root 5 को हम और कुछ नहीं कर सकते factorize. So write as it is. What about 125 का root? Yes, friends. 125 means what? I will factorize it. See here. 125, no? So I will factorize it. See. I will divide it by what? 5. Yes, you are right. 5, 2s are 10. 11, 12 means 2. 2 यहाँ पर गया. So 25. 5 5s are 25. You know now how to find the factors, guys? What simple concept है. So 25. What is the divisible of 25? Again 5. So I will write 5. 5s are 25. So 5 1s are. So in place of root 125, how I can write? I can write 5 into 5 into 5. Yes or no, students? Bingo. Let's begin. Okay. 9 root 5 as it is. Minus 4 root 5 as it is. Now I told you. अगर दो रूट के अंदर दो सेम नंबर रहेगा, so it will come out and it will become 1. तो ये रूट 5 बाहर आके एक 5 बन जाएगा और अंदर क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ एक 5 बचेगा. Yes or no, students? Till here it is okay. Now see which is the common now. Common क्या है बताओ? Yes, you are right. Now the common is only root 5. Root 5 बाहर ले लिया मैंने. तो अंदर क्या बचा? देखो यहां से root 5 गया तो we have here 9 minus sign. 4 root 5 में root 5 is given out. So remaining is 4 plus in 5 root 5 is given out. So answer is 5. Any doubt till here? Any shanka till here? Is it okay for you guys? Okay. So 9 minus 4 is how much? Tell me. 9 minus 4 is how much? It's 5 plus 5 as it is and root 5 as it is. So 5 plus 5 is how much? It's 10 root 5. So answer we have 10 root 5. Till here any doubt? Any shanka? Okay. So kindly take the screenshot, guys, fast. The screenshot nikal lo jaldi. Fast take the screenshot. Fast take the screenshot. If it's done, then let me know. I will do next sum. Okay, guys? Okay. Now the next sum. Now this is not difficult sum, guys. Very simple. I will show you how to do that. See. Now see. Which is the common? First see that and note it down. What is the common in this part? Root 7. Root 7 is the common, right? So what I will do, I will take the common outside. Root 7 I have taken outside. Okay. Now what is remaining? यहाँ से अगर root 7 गया, so nothing is there. That means nothing means 1. Nothing means 1. So I will add here 1. Got it? And after that, which sign is there? Minus sign is there. So minus. Now 3 by 5 root 7. I have taken root 7 outside. So what will be remaining? 3 by 5 plus. Now 2 root 7. That means 7 you have taken outside. So you will get only 2. So any doubt till here? यहाँ पर कोई doubt है तो पूछो in the chat box. Okay, students? Till here, any doubt, any shanka? No doubt, no shanka. Very good. So now see here, I am doing what? This see, 1 plus 2 kitna hoga guys? 1 plus 2. You will get 3, yes or no? So I will write, see here, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. And this minus 3 by 5 as it is, root 7. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Dekho, 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 3 by 5 as it is and root 7. Now 3a minus 3 by 5, how we can do it? 3 minus 3 by 5, देखो 3 by 5 upon में है, न्यूमरेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर में, but 3 is alone. तो 3 को I can write 3 upon 1, yes or no? हमने पहले से पढ़े थे, नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब कौन है? 1 है, जिसका कोई सहारा नहीं है उसका 1 सहारा है, yes or no students? 3 upon 1. Now cross multiply. 3 5s are 15 minus 1 3s are 3 upon 1 5s are 5. Okay, so this is root 7. Now tell me 15 minus 3 is how much? 15 minus 3 is how much? It's 12 upon 5 as it is, and this is root 7. So this is your final answer. That's it. Note it down, guys. Take the screenshot of this part also. Fast, 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 fast. Very simple concept, guys. Fast. जल्दी करेंगे हम लोग. एक्सेस को खत्म ही कर देंगे हम लोग. The end कर देंगे एक्सेस का. बिकॉज एल्जेब्रा बुरा मान रहा है, हमने ज्योमेट्री को तो 2 चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर दिए, राइट? बट एल्जेब्रा बुरा मान रहा है कि मेरे को अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं किया आपने. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कंप्लीट इन दिस वीक. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके. Now next part is 3 root 12 into root 18. Now whenever these kind of questions will come in the multiply format, first find the factors. 12 का factors क्या आएगा बताओ मुझे, मैं निकाल के रखता हूँ यहाँ पर. What will be the 12 का factors? It will be from 2, 2 6 are 12, yes, then again with 2, 2 3s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. So what are the factors of 12? याद रखो, 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, and now what are the factors of 18? What are the factors of 18? So 2 9s are 18, yes, then 9 किस में जाएगा? 3 में. 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are. So again I'm repeating, what are the factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. And what are the factors of 18? 3 into 3 into 2. Is it okay, students? I have showed you how to do the factors. Now see. So I will write here 3 bracket 12 means what? 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, into 18 means what? 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, till here it is okay. Now see here. 3 as it is. मैंने पहले ही बताया रूट के अंदर अगर 2 2 बार रहेगा, so it will come out and will become 1 time. So ये हो जाएगा आपका into 2. एक बार आया, दोनों मिलके एक बन जाते, और अंदर क्या बचा? सिर्फ root 3 you got into. Now here what is the double? Double is 3 3s are. तो 3 बाहर आ जाएगा, अंदर क्या बचेगा? Only this 2. Got it till here? So what we got? 3 2s are 6 root 3 into 2 root 2. यहां तक क्लियर है? 6 root 3 into 2 root 2. Now comes the important part where the students makes lots of mistake. जब ऐसा आ जाएगा आपका और आपका बीच में मल्टीप्लाई है, so what you have to do? First multiply the numbers, then multiply the root. Again I am repeating, first multiply the numbers, then multiply the root. What are the numbers? Here we have 6 and 2. So 6 and 3, right? 6 and 3 3. So 6 3 is how much? 18. 6 3 is how much? 18. And what are the roots now? Root क्या क्या हमारे पास? Root 3 and root 2 we have. So 3 2s are? Yes, 6 exactly. So root 6 is the answer. हम लोग नंबर को लास्ट में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, रूट को लास्ट में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. So this is your answer, 18 root 6. Kindly take the screenshot now. Fast guys. Kindly take the screenshot. No, 6 3 is 18 होता है guys. 18 root 6 is the answer. Got it till here? Any doubts? Okay. So last part I am again repeating. So देखो, जब यहाँ पर हम लोग आते हैं ना ऐसा 6 root 3 and 3 root 2, then first we'll multiply number, then we'll multiply root. So number is what? This is 6 into 3. 6 is 18 you got, and now root is root 3 and root 2. So 3 2 is 6. तो root के अंदर में 6 आ जाएगा. Root will remain 1 only, and उसके अंदर के number जो है वो multiply हो जाएंगे आपके. Got in, Anurag? Okay. So kindly take the screenshot if you want. Now we are moving to the next part now. Okay, let's begin. Okay, next one. Okay, before that we have 3 root 12 and 7 root 15. 3 root 12 and 7 root 15. Okay, देखो हमको 12 का तो फैक्टर्स मालूम है, 15 का क्या आएगा बताओ मुझे. It will be factorized by 3. 3 5s are 15. Yes, and 5 1s are 5. But one thing I want कि 3 into 5 यहाँ पर के फैक्टर्स निकल रहे हैं नहीं कॉमन वाला ना. So let's see, we will do it. See, 3 root 12 means what? 2 into 3. We have saw in the previous lecture, right? Previous sum. Okay, 12 का फैक्टर्स होता है 2 into 3, right? Now see here, into 7. What is 15? 15 means 3 into 5. I hope यहाँ तक आपका clear है. Now see, 2 is double, so I will take out and it will become single. So ये बन जाएगा 3 into 2 और अंदर बच गया आपका सिर्फ 3 into this as it is. हाँ, ये ऐसे कैसे आएगा? Any doubt in this step? ये स्टेप में को डाउट है तो पूछो गाइस फटाफट. What I did, because 2 दो था ना, मैं इसको बाहर निकाल दिया ये दो 2 को, तो एक 2 आ गया और अंदर सिर्फ 3 बचा, and this as it is. Now see, 3 2 is 6 root 3. 6 root 3 into 7 into, now 3 5 है कितना होता है 15 ना, तो ऐसे कैसे रखो उसमें, बिकॉज उसका कोई कॉमन निकल रहा नहीं है. Whenever डबल रिपीट नहीं हो रहा है ना नंबर, उसको ऐसे कैसे रखो. जैसे कि यहाँ पर रिपीट हो रहा था इसके लिए मैंने इसको खोला, यहाँ पर रिपीट नहीं हो रहा तो आगे मैंने 15 बना दिया उसको वापस से. Okay, now see, what is our last step? We will multiply the number, then we will multiply the root. Now see here, ध्यान से देखो, 6 into 7 is how much? 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42. 42. Got it? Root. Now 3 into 15 is how much? 3 into 15, 45. So we have 45 root 42 root 45. But as I can see, 45 का भी फैक्टर्स है. आप चेक करो 45 का भी क्या होता है, फैक्टर्स होता है. तो आई विल फाइंड आउट 45 का फैक्टर्स निकालता हूं. देखो मैं, सी 45 किसमें जाएगा? 5 में जाएगा. 5 5 9s are 45. yes or no? 9 means 3 3s are 9. yes or no? Then 3 1s are. So in place of 45 what I can write? Yes, see here, 42 as it is, root of 45 को क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? 5 into 3 into 3. yes or no? अब ये 2 3 है. So what we have decided, if 2 numbers will be there, it will come out, it will become single number. So 42 into 3 हो जाएगा और अंदर सिर्फ क्या बचा? root 5. yes students, still it is okay. Now what do you mean by 42 into 3? करो 42 into 3 करो. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. So it was 126. So answer is 126 and root 5 तो ऐसी है, उसको ऐसे कैसे लिखो? root 5. This is your final answer guys. This is your final answer. So kindly take the screenshot of this part. Fast guys, जल्दी screenshot निकालो. See, I'm multiplying now. Carefully see. I'm multiplying the number and root differently. Number क्या है 5 और इधर number क्या है 2. तो I will multiply 5 into 2. Okay. So inside the root, what will be there? 8 and 8. So I will write 8 into 8. Okay. Till here it is okay. Bingo. हम नंबर को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, रूट को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, राइट? तो 5 2 how much you got? 10. But here you can see guys, here inside the root we have 8 into 8. तो 2 8 रहेगा तो बाहर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो 1 8 बन जाएगा. So into 8 ही बच जाएगा खाली, और रूट में तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं है अभी फिर, बिकॉज सिर्फ 8 ही था ना. तो 2 8 बाहर आया, 2 8 नहीं 2 8 2 8 जब बाहर आया, राइट? So it got only single 8. So 10 8 is how much? 80. So your answer is 80. Note the screenshot. Can I take the screenshot guys fast? It's very simple guys, बहुत simple है. Okay, done. Any doubt till here? Then let me know fast. Done. Okay. So we are moving to the next question. Let's begin with the next part. Now see guys, here they have asked for division. So root 98 divided by root 2, right? So how we can write root 98? We will write root 98 upon root 2. So what do you mean by root 98? So we have to take the factorize. हम factorize निकालेंगे guys. Factorize में आपको बहुत strong होना पड़ेगा, बहुत ज़्यादा strong. Okay, and I have one magic trick to find the factors. मेरे पास और एक magic trick भी है, मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगा. जब हम लोग free lectures में बैठेंगे तो magic trick बताऊंगा आपको. But for now, for your Maharashtra state board, you have to do this kind of steps. So 98, how we can factorize it? See here now. It will goes to through 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 got carry. 2 9s are 18. Now 49 किसके टेबल में आता है guys? 7 में आता है. Yes. So 7 7s are 49. So 7 again comes in 7 का table. 7 1s are 7. Now see here. In place of root 98, how I can write? I can write 2 into 7 into 7. Yes or no? Upon root 2. Till here any doubt? Any shanka? हम लोग same fashion में जा रहे guys. Now see, we have here 2 7. So whenever this 2 7 come out of the root, it will become a single 7. नहीं तो ये बन जाएगा बाहर आके 7. अंदर कौन बचा? सिर्फ root 2 बचा. Upon this root 2 as it is. Oh, we know that न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर रहेगा, so it will खाच कुछ गायब हो जाएगा वो. So we will cancel it out. Root 2 get cancelled out. Yes, cut. So we are getting only 7. So final answer is 7. Is it so simple, students? Note it down. Take the screenshot, guys. Fast. Jaldi. Done. Okay, let's begin with the next part. मैं जब स्क्रीनशॉट बोलूंगा तो फटाफट निकाल लो, अभी मैं रुकूंगा नहीं बहुत देर के लिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट सम इज रूट ऑफ 125 डिवाइड बाय रूट ऑफ 50. सो हाउ वी कैन राइट? बाबा क्या बोला है हमको बोला है डिवाइड. सो आई विल राइट रूट ऑफ 125 अपॉन रूट ऑफ 50. सो काइंडली टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट गाइस फास्ट. स्क्रीनशॉट बोल रहा हूं मैं. फैक्टर्स निकालो पहले. सो टेक फैक्टर्स. 125 का फैक्टर्स इज हाउ मच? निकालो. 125 किस में जाएगा? 5 में. वेरी गुड. 5 में. 5 2s are 10. तू बाजू वाले को देगा भाई, तू ले बोल के. तो 25 मींस व्हाट? 5 5s are 25. So 25 किस में जाएगा अगेन? It will come on 5. So 5 5s are 25. Yes or no बच्चे लोग? So 5 1s are 5. So in place of 125, how I can write? I can write 5 into 5 into 5 upon. But in place of 50, how I can write? चलो 50 को फैक्टराइज कर लो. 50 किस में जाएगा? 2 में जाएगा. सॉरी 5 में जाएगा. 5 10s are 50. Yes. Then 10 किस में जाएगा? अगेन 5 में जाएगा. 5 2s are 10. 2 किस में जाएगा? 2 तो खुद में जाएगा. 2 1s are 2. Is it okay now? Any doubt till here? So in place of root 50, how I can write? I will write the factors. 5 into 5 into 2. Yes students, now it's up to you. क्या आएगा बताओ मेरे को अभी जल्दी. यहां पर से 2 5 में से 2 5 बाहर जाके 1 5 बन जाएगा. And inside you will get only root 5 upon. यहां पर भी 2 5 we have, so it will go out and it will become only 1 5. Now you will get here only root 2. So 5 5 khach kuch get cancelled out. So you are remaining with the root 5 upon root 2. They both have the root now, so I will add only the one root. So I will get 5 upon 2. Any doubt guys till here? Is it so simple students? I know, is it very simple? It's very simple. Okay. Yeah, Aditya.
Sir, 10 can go by 2 also.
So factors will remain same. पहले आप 2 लगाओ और you apply first 5. Factors will be same. 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, it's up to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, students, any doubt till here? Any shanka till here? Then let me know in the chat box. आगे बढ़े? Okay? Okay, done. Now next part. Root 310 divided by root 5. So क्या करोगे जब भी ऐसा बड़ा सम आएगा ना? आदित्य, kindly drop your hands, down your hands. Okay. So root 310 divided by root 5. Okay, now let's begin. हम लोग कैसे लेंगे? डिवाइड है ना. So I will write root 310 upon root 5. Now see here carefully. What will be the first step? I will find the factors of root 10, root 310. 310 का हम लोग factors निकालेंगे. Yes or no, students? We will find the factors of what? 310. So let's find out. क्या है factors 310 का? देखते हैं हम लोग. देखो 2 में जाएगा. 2 1s are 2, 1 got carry. 2 5s are 10, 1 got carry. 2 5s are 10. So it is 155. 155 means श्रीधि इट्स डिलीटेड ऑलरेडी. मैं जब आपको स्क्रीनशॉट निकालने बोलता हूं तभी निकालो. मैं लिख रहा हूं ना यहाँ पर, तो आपको पहले का शो सम कैसे दिखाऊं मैं अभी आपको. ओके, सो 155, सो इट विल बी डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो 5 3s are 15 and 5, yes, 5 1s are 5 you will get. Okay, so answer you will get 31, right? So 31 1s are 31. So what are the factors now? हमारे पास factors क्या क्या देखते हैं हम लोग. चलो इधर. Now see here carefully guys, देखो ध्यान से. 1 minute. हाँ. Now see here. इसके अंदर क्या आएगा? 2 into 5 into 31. Okay. Upon root 5 as it is. Now see here, कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. Nothing is getting cancelled. So what I will do? They both are having the same root ना. Root सबके पास है ना. तो मैं एक बड़ा root लेता हूँ. देखो अच्छे से. I have taken the root common. So what I will get is the numerator में 2 into 5 into 31 upon down here we have 5. Now is it okay? Now we will cancel 5 5 get cancelled out. So inside the root we got 2 into 31. 2 into 31 is how much? 2 into 31 is how much? 2 into 31 is 62. So your answer is 62. Your answer is 62. Got it, students? So kindly take the screenshot of this sum also. Kindly take the screenshot of this sum also. First. Done? Okay. Ritik, kindly raise your hand first. Kindly raise your hand, Ritik. क्या हमने रूट को हटाया? देखो डिनोमिनेटर में रूट है ही नहीं. Yes, we have reached our target. Again I'm repeating guys. देखो, the question was, ध्यान दो, the question was 3 root 5. And the question was we have to rationalize. Rationalize means आपको आंसर को क्या करना है? डायरेक्टली रूट को निकालना है डिनोमिनेटर से. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय रूट 5, बिकॉज रूट 5 है ना इधर, तो दोनों जगह मल्टीप्लाई करो. रूट 5 डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करो और न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? 3 into root 5 is how much? 3 root 5. And root 5 into root 5 is how much? Yes, you know na, root 5 into root 5 is how much? Yes, 5. So answer is this. Kindly take the screenshot guys fast. जल्दी स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल लो. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट सम. अभी देखो मेरे को आप ही बताओ. 1 upon root 14 है. बताओ क्या आंसर आएगा इसका? व्हाट यू विल डू? नो, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बाय रूट. रूट का नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ऑब्वियसली यू विल डू द सेम थिंग. व्हाट? इनटू रूट 14 इनटू रूट 14. जो भी आपका नीचे रूट है उससे आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. नाउ सी, 1 into root 14 is how much? Root 14 upon. Now again, root 14 into root 14 is how much? Yes, बच्चे लोग फटाफट. Root 14 is root 14 how much? Yes, 14. So the answer is root 14 upon 14. That's it. Simple है, बहुत simple है. Kindly take the screenshot. Now last sum आज के लिए 5 root 7. यस बच्चे लोग बताओ आप लोग क्या करूं मैं अभी नेक्स्ट. यू विल टेल नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू. यस, यू आर राइट. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय रूट 7. तो मल्टीप्लाई रूट 7 एंड हियर आल्सो मल्टीप्लाई रूट 7. सो व्हाट आई विल गेट? 5 into root 7 is how much? 5 root 7. And root 7 into root 7 is how much? Yes, you are right. It's 7. So that's it, the answer. Yes or no, students? Bingo. Done till here. Take the screenshot. Okay, so finally we have completed our 2.3 exercise. Yes or no? Very easy sum. So kindly take the screenshot.